Hello YouTube, my name is Stephanie. If you're new here, I am a reseller on Poshmark and eBay primarily. I am a mother of two wonderful boys and yeah. So I'm just gonna get right into it because I have 3 unboxings to film because all my boxes decided to arrive all at the same time. Okay, so this unboxing, I am doing my very first B&G trading liquidation unboxing. I do not remember. Oh, okay, yeah, perfect. They have it on the back. Economy returns 25 piece and mid-value return 10 piece. And my order was logged by Val. That's cute. Happy 2021. So I watched plenty of these unboxings and I told myself I would never buy them just because I didn't really like their price point and some of the items that they put in here. So yeah, but they were having a sale, so I didn't spend like a ton of money. So yeah, it's $158 for 35 items, which I guess now that I'm thinking about it is kind of expensive, but I don't know. I did it anyways just because they were having a sale and I need inventory. And so yeah, I'm gonna get into it. They have them in bags, so looks like there's about 3 bags. Okay, this first item looks like it's new without tags, and it is Free People. It's kind of like a baby doll tank. These are just fluffies. Now, since I am just first opening this, I may miss some flaws, so just keep that in mind. Like my last unboxing, I opened it just ahead of time just so you could see where the flaws were at. Oh, this is cute. Mason Jewels. I didn't know this was sold at Macy's or whatever, or Nordstrom. But this is adorable. I love the button detail in the front and the hearts. This, oh, I should get this listed very soon because of Valentine's Day. Interesting. Alfani. I don't normally pick this brand up, but it is a pretty unique blouse and it is a size large. So hopefully that does okay. It looks like we have a dress. Let's see, what is this? This is Lush. It's this beautiful floral spaghetti strap. It appears to look like a maxi dress. So this is really, really pretty. And it is a size extra, extra large. This is great. I haven't seen any new attack items yet. So maybe they're not, because they're all returns. I don't know if I'll ever see. Oh, okay, here's one. This is Monato. I don't know how to say it, but it is new with tags. It looks like it retails for $59 and it was 40% off. This is a 2X. This is great sizing so far. It's this mini spaghetti strap party dress, it looks like. Look at that. That's really cute. Would have been really nice for New Year's. We have a new tag, DKNY tank, probably active wear. It looks like an active wear top. This one retails for $58. This was at Nordstrom Rack. It says a two-piece garment, but I don't see the second piece. Unless it's in there somewhere. So that's really cute. We have some pants. Not a fan of selling pants, especially white pants. These are fanny. These are a size 16, and I can already see some damage to the fabric. So I don't know what I'll do with these. They are new with tags. So we got a sweater. This is Treasure and Bond. This is new with tags. This is nice cream with the balloon sleeve sweater. It's a size large. It was on sale for $24.99. So yeah, this is really cute. It's perfect for like a minimalist or capsule wardrobe. Here we have a dress. This is Rosie and Harlow, size medium. This is a pretty dress. I love the color and the little stud details. It's like a fit and flare dress. Last item in this bag looks like a stretchy skirt. Ink International Concepts pencil skirt. This is a size large. So far, I'm not too disappointed. A little bummed about those white pants. Oh, okay. So this one has Eco R. So I'm assuming that means eco returns. And then the other one looks like it's also eco. I don't know. Okay. Ooh, so pretty. Sage the Label. This, oh, I wish this was my size. This is gorgeous. This is a cream colored duster cardigan with a hood. Oh, why can't this be my size? Size large. I don't see any noticeable flaws. So cute though. Next we have a Nordstrom sheer cardigan. This was at Last Chance for $6.97. I don't think I could get even $10 for that, but I don't know. Next, we have Free Press, which I have actually sold before. We have this plaid button-down top. This is a size medium. I thought it was new tags, yeah. It was on sale for $6.59. Looks like we have Free People, extra small. It's missing the thing though. Just a basic black maxi. This looks like a two-piece though. Like it belongs with something else. I don't know. I'll have to look up the style of this one. So we have another dress, or no, skirt. Sage the Label. This looks small. beautiful like mint, not mint, lavender. That's extra small. Has a shark bite hem. Is that what that's called? I'm not positive on that one. Another one of those pairs of pants. Oh no, this is Style & Co. White. These are new tags. I don't see anything wrong with them. So these will probably sell pretty well on eBay. Got another Sage the Label. This is like a waffle knit basic top. This feels like a swimwear. What is this? Liz Claiborne swim. But oh my goodness, this is totally missing something. Why would they even put this in here? Yeah, it's missing like, I'm guessing string. We have another International Concepts. I think there is a flaw here on the back. Nothing too noticeable. I think I can get it out. Right there. So. Charter Club. New tags. Shorts. So that's actually pretty good for the next season. Hiatus. I've never heard of this one. What's to say? Oh, I think it's a romper. Yeah, it looks like an interesting looking romper actually. Okay, well I don't know how much it retailed for, but here's a size medium. Sorry, I'm playing music for my my son. This is, I don't even know. It's a extra small. Yeah, I already see some flaws on this. And it looks like it's missing something. Hold on, I gotta go turn that down. I think it's okay. About Us. Strapless dress, mini dress. I gotta go turn that down. Okay, I need to go quick. I feel like my son is gonna get angry. Karen Scott, I did not pick this brand up. As you can see why. It's kind of ugly. But I'll try it on eBay. It's size medium. Got some leather, faux leather I'm assuming. 14th and Union wide leg pants. These are a size large. I think these should do well. I don't know. Do people still wear leather pants? Okay. Last bag. This looks fancy. Okay, I'll do the shorts first. These are Mason Jewels, size 10, yellow shorts. We have, this is pretty. What is this? ENG, which I actually don't mind selling this brand. It actually sells pretty quickly for me. Of course, it really depends on the piece, but the pieces that I have picked up, they have been like super boho. And this looks more like cottagecore to me. It's very long and has the cute buttons in the back and an open back. So this is really, really cute. I think this will do well in the springtime. Another Mason Jewels. Hopefully this brand does well. So we got some khakis. Essential pant, size 12. Planet Gold, just a basic tank top. I'll probably put that like in a bundle with something. Ooh. I think they call this Bobo, but it's this French terry cloth. I don't know. Cream cardigan, size large, right? Yeah. And this retailed for $26.97 at Nordstrom Rack. It's stretchy. Hopefully that does well. Got another sweater. What is this? Dreamers. This is really cute. What size is this? Medium. I'd keep it, but it's not my size. It might be too big, so bummer, but that's really cute. Alright, looks like this is the last, nope, second to last item. Ooh, fancy. This copper key, I might keep this one though. Especially, it's kind of snowing outside, and oh, this is adorable. And it's super fluffy, it's super warm. So I think this is going to be going into my closet. We have another Sage the Lapel mini dress, or skirt, not dress, with a little tie here. And this is a size medium. Has like a rock cut detail there. And then, oh, I guess there's 2 more shirts. This is Joe's. I didn't know they made, yeah. I didn't know they made tops. This is just a dinky, basic top. And then we got the People Versus graphic. Never heard of this brand. This is a size small. I don't know. It's like a Valentine tea, so maybe I should get this listed too soon. So yeah, I'm just gonna count everything real quick, just to make sure I have everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I got 36 items. Maybe they didn't count this horrible swim piece, because I'm just gonna chuck it because it's broken and it's not wearable, because the string is supposed to hold up the boobie area, and if there's no string, what's the point of wearing it? Anyways, my thoughts on this box: I probably will not order another one, just because my assumptions about this box were correct. I didn't get like super popular items. Like, this is popular retailers, and unless I'm wrong, but those don't seem very popular, I don't usually pick those brands up. So yeah, I won't be buying from them again. It was good, fun little try. I think I'll definitely be able to make my money back, and maybe even a little bit more, but this is the real winner here. This fun little fluffy sweater with a pocket. I'm really excited to wear it. Maybe I'll wear it in my next video. So yeah, I don't recommend buying from these, just because I do not recommend buying from B&G, just because they are kind of expensive and they do ship very quickly. I will give them that, much quicker than Jomar. So yeah, it was just fun, give it a shot kind of thing. So, but yeah, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed and that you possibly learned something. And if there's anything in this box that you saw that you liked, feel free to message me over on Instagram, which I'll have linked down below, so, as well as my Poshmark closet. So I will see you on my next video. Bye.